There's metal.
Everything else is plastico.
That's metal.
Yeah, that's the only part that's metal.
Let's go see that motor we might be able to use.
Actually, does this entire thing just pop off? I think it does. If you have the correct drivers.
So I guess we do have a steering system too.
I think
also, there's a cable. What is that?
No, that's just a screw. I think if we remove these two screws, we'll basically be able to pull this off.
Well, this attaches down to the steering arm.
Yeah, there's a steering column right here.
Yeah, but if we remove these, the body comes off.
A couple parts from it and calling it a power.
Alright.
Those.
Let me get something sharp. Anybody got knife?
That's why
Well, this is a motor we have.
Dan, you almost certainly carrying that pocket knife on you.
Do we have an extension for the ratchet?
Ratchet?
Yeah. Well, see, okay. There are two bolts that seem to hold the steering system on. One here, one over here.
Oh, the socket drive. Yeah.
Yeah.
We got at least one extension for that.
Okay.
they stick 3 days back.
You don't need to. What are you trying to do?
Cut it.
Don't cut it because it's going to unscrew from the inside, and then you'll lose the nuts.
Arizona cracked down on it. They changed their laws because they're having problems with.
I was going to get this on start. Oh, I guess no, those are not bolts. Never mind. Those aren't bolts.
All kinds of crazy stuff.
They're just screws taped down. The whole thing must be threaded.
It's from the inside. There's a socket cap inside here,
Ah, okay.
and we unscrew them that direction.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's put it down.
Yeah, we
Get to the-
we need to figure out how we're gonna get the steering column off that. Okay.
That pops off.
Yeah, let's pop that off. How do we get to that?
It's on.
Underneath. Oh, there's some tabs.
They had to crack down.
Okay.
They weren't having fatalities.
What do you gotta do? You gotta make it look like Mater out of the Cars movie. With the big buck teeth and the eyes on it. Like, that would be pretty funny.
Well, I was worried they would come across this straight out of your socket.
I still get stabbed through there, but yeah.
Thing's gonna be figuring out how to mount it.
Something went up, but it didn't go up very far.
It's almost there. It's right open.
I was interested in that because it would actually stiffen.
This one down here, maybe. Another one down here somewhere, like over here.
I see it.
There's like 3 per side or something.
Okay.
Hardwired on.
I'm offering tension on this, but
Yeah.
Oh, there's one up here.
Yeah, there's 2.
yeah, try to get that one.
There's one on the side and one on the other.
Looks like a tennis plate, right?
Yeah, I mean, there's tons of.
Oh, so that whole
No, we're gonna this is not on the neck. Like, press the power. You know, to be like. There's so many thousands.
Cures and.
I'm not sure how that whole thing.
Well, no, I think it's black.
No, it's the black thing comes off. This probably comes off.
It might help them to, you know, like, this is a sticker, so if you think about it, they might actually be able to rebrand it. Different grill, different front, and still use the same plastic for saving the money.
So I end up with stuff like that.
This.
We can get
Process of actually
that
binding.
in there.
Yeah.
So the binding is actually.
Go any farther. Stop right here.
Hold on. Kevin, pull back.
That was doing it. Not every time, but every other time or so.
Well, I can see something now, like where's
Yeah,
the
we
axe?
can keep going.
No, because I think there's
Other neat things going on in the cave include MakerBot printing and robot building.
Well, in the fire, the order that's on at 500 and 1,000 degrees, the ports that show like inversion where it changes form.
So the crystal, so the powder crystal.
That's not the biggest problem.
Do we have a giant screwdriver? I'm not joking about that one. Yeah, so just stick it in here and then twist. There, it's just on.
You can adjust the speed on it. You want one more to throttle it down. At some point, you still gotta like pick it up and put it in the kiln, right?
Yeah, you did. So what I was curious about is like turning on the heating board, drying it maybe enough to like more rigid to
gonna make a little.
Maybe like hairspray.
Well, there was one thing I saw with a guy who had like an armature with a hair dryer that was drying it as it printed. Oh yeah.
It's like PI on a Mango.
I got a wave shield already, and if you could make a little.
You probably know.
Oh, a little light. I don't think we need a dashboard. I think. Oh, what was that called? First, this guy who set the motorcycle speed record came up with a way of riding a motorcycle where you get it into top gear, and then you pick your legs up and you lay on it just like this, like a Superman, and it cuts down on wind drag. But you can do the same thing here.
Yeah. Well, since it's going to be drive-by joystick, drive-by game controller, you could do it. You care, right?
Well,
Hand me that bit again.
the great thing is too, someone else could be, well, with your setup, someone else could be driving. Then you just need the person to be in it and holding on.
Or did the rules state anything about it needing to be a live person?
Yeah.
No, I'm pretty sure that's me. Oh, this is a human.
Here, try this.
That's the same time.
We're trying to count right here.
This is what we needed to see.
Well, it took a while to find it.
Everybody's in front of the camera, so they can see our apps. It's a bolt!
Yay!
Tom Collins. Feeling at the holiday.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
We've gone sledding up the hill.
Your ceramic.
Bam!
Oh, yeah, yes,
Take it
mine.
to my car. Let's see if we can fit it in. If not, somebody else.
Well, maybe you know.
What happened to the rear
Have
tires?
you ever heard of?
We already took it off.
Just the motors?
Okay.
I checked the big motor we have is a 120 volt DC motor. So that means it's closer to running it. The rules limit 36 volts. We could do three-phase, but we could do like three-phase harmonic drive.
So what's our limit again?
36 volts.
Yeah.
Voltage, so you can is actually
on my desktop.
Can't run a translate.
and they're both
I think it's secondary. Yeah, I think it's secondary voltage of the motor, but I don't think we should have more than 36.
Yeah, you can use
Holy crap! You can just rebrand these.
Yeah. That's what we remarked. The whole thing looked like you could just draw on the front, the sticker on the front, everything could have been rebranded and looked like a
Well,
different
even the power wheels, you could put in like a whole other language.
Yeah, the whole thing is modular.
It's made in China. Sure, yeah. Yeah.
So,
It's made in car. So, people grab that. I don't know what else we can take with us. Windshield, I don't know. Yes.
somebody gonna grab the back end?
Yeah.
Just drag it.
All right.
See you when you come back.
Where's the